So here it is, guys, iOS 14 on iPhone XR, the red version. Let me go into the settings and show you the about settings, and you see here software version 14. This is actually beta 2. Here is the big changes from iOS 14, which everyone kind of seems to like it, and honestly I kind of like it as well because it's something new. You have your search bar at the top as well, which you can search for apps, or you can search also for something on the internet as well. Let's go, for example, you go and open Safari, for example, and here are the default widgets. Of course, here you can add more widgets. You can just press on a widget, edit home screen, and then you have here the plus button at the top, and then you can add more widgets. These are the default widgets which shows in a widget design, but these here at the bottom you can also add them as widgets. In fact, this is what I did. Here we have a battery as well, but I added here to the home screen as well, and I added here more maps and weather, and I added here even more, a bigger map, and then recently played music. Okay, so I lowered down a little bit the aperture because the camera was kind of showing way too white, and this is basically the big changes of this iOS 14. Let's go here into the right side, and we have app library. This is more or less like app drawer from Android, if you want to take it like that. And here we have some folders. I call it folders because for example, on this one I can't really press on it and I can't do anything on it. I can remove only the icon or the app from this folder, but I can't really do anything more. And here, for example, where there are 4 apps on a folder, the only thing I can do is only delete these apps from this folder. But if I want to open like the folder, I mean, I tried everything, I can't really open the folder. The only way I could open the folder is, for example, here on the right side, which I have here the small icons. So when I press on the small icons, then it opens the folder. I call it folder because I use Android a lot, and well, for me these are like folders. Here, if you press on the search bar from app library, well, here you have all your apps installed on your phone. So yeah, this is basically like an app drawer, because you can remove now all these icons from your screen. You can press and hold on an icon, and then you have here remove app, and then remove from home screen. Let's do it, and it removed it from home screen. Now when you install an app, you can also uninstall it from here. You press and hold on the icon, remove app, and then you have here at the bottom delete. So this is gonna uninstall the app completely. Let's press cancel. Now if you want to remove this widget from this home screen, you press and hold on it, and then remove widgets, remove batteries, let's remove it, and so on you can do with all of them. To add more widgets here, for example, you just press and hold on the empty space. Again, you press the plus button and you add the icon that you want. Let's actually add notes, for example, and you have here 3 different, oh, there's 4 actually, 4 different sizes. I thought there was only 3 different sizes, but well, this one has 4 different sizes. Let's add this one, and it adds it at the top, but then you, of course, you can drag it where you want. You can drag it in the middle here, well, not really in the middle, but yeah, in the middle of the screen or at the bottom. And once you added it, you can't really change the size. If you want to change the size, you'll have to delete it, remove it, go again, let's go notes, and then choose the bigger side, add widgets, and it added at the top, and then you can add it at the bottom. Now if you want to see how many screens you have, because you might have an empty screen, then again press and hold on the home screen, and then press here on these dots. When you press on these dots, then it shows all the screens that you have, and then you can disable a screen. Let's press, I disable the 3rd screen, let's press done, and then let's actually press done. Okay, and now when I press done, it deleted the 3rd screen. Let's go again and see if that 3rd screen is still there or it got deleted, and it's still there, is just deactivated. Let's enable it again. Done. Press done, and then voila, it's there. So overall, I think these widgets will bring a different look to iPhones and more customization. I wish you could press on it and then, oh, edit widgets, just the location and stuff. I wish you could press on it and then edit the size of it, but well, maybe in the future. But so far, it's really smooth and it's really cool. It's just this beta 2 for the moment. It drains the battery kind of a lot, so that's a negative point from this beta, but overall it works really smooth. But it's definitely going into the right direction. Of course, you can customize it as you want, but overall I think the design is really good. But anyway, this was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till the next one.